Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing very well today. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Plouise budget box for November 2023. Hope you'll enjoy this. If you do, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, leave me a lovely little comment, and don't forget as well to subscribe because it means the world to me. Without further ado, let's get started. I'll be honest, I do always find this so confusing because her budget box is always a month behind. So this is the November box, but it arrived today and it is currently the 6th of December. So we've got the box for last month in the next month, so it is a bit confusing. But that's the box I've got today, and it's a very Christmassy themed box and I'm so excited to unbox it with you all. So firstly, she's big. Like, this is the big old box we've got today. I am so excited to show what's in here. So we've got 3 different products in here this month, and it is a really good one. Like, for value for money, you get a lot in here. So basically everything broken down would be £10 each. It's 3 products and we pay £30 for the budget box. I keep saying I'm going to cancel mine just because £30 is a lot of money and I have a lot of Paige's products now. The fact that I just don't think I'll ever be able to use them all up. But then again, every time they come I'm like, but it's so beautiful. It's so hard to then think that I'd be cancelling it. Firstly, we've got this palette here. This is the Plouise, but baby, it's cold outside palette. Again, super festive. I love the pink and blue theme. It is so festive and so cute. Got little hats, scarves, ear warmers, things like that. Then when we open this up, this, oh, we're upside down. This is what the palette itself looks like. Get rid of that sheet. And then this is the inside. I've got 8 beautiful blush shades that all feel quite cool tone, especially perfect for winter. I love this one here. It's got a bit of a lilac-y touch to it. Also love this. It reminds me of the Cold Hearts blush from Made by Mitchell. So beautiful, but I do love the variation in here as well. I do love a Plouise blush. I just want to swatch this one. So pretty. So I've been using the Glow with the Flow palette from Plouise lately, and I love how the shades in here are so different to those ones. You get a full-size mirror in here as well. I can guarantee this is going to retail for a lot more than £10 on her website, so I think just getting that alone is such good value. It's also a 3D packaging, which I absolutely love, so it's all kind of like out there. It just looks so pretty. Packaging she always does, absolute 10 out of 10. Then we've got another palette here. Again, I'm so excited to open this one. So this one is very similar to being on theme for the first one. This is very similar colours and pictures, but then it does have its own little bits to it, if that makes sense. So this is the Baby You've Got Me Smitten palette. It's a very similar presentation to the other one. We've got the writing at the top and then one big word across the middle, like we did with the other one that said outside, and this one says smitten. So it's the Smitten palette. I love this. I think it is so cute. So this one is very mittens themed. So you've got some mittens drawn up here, over here, like literally all over. I'm also loving these accents of gold on the snowflakes, which are so cute and sparkly. On the back it says, kiss me quickly, these lips are cold, warm it up with your hand to hold. And it's got quite a bit of writing on the back. Again, obviously these products are cruelty free. Plouise is cruelty free and I wouldn't use it if it wasn't. I just love the amount of detail that goes into all these things. The little patterns at the top really remind me of like Christmas jumpers. I love that. It just feels so festive. It says at the top, might not always show it and sometimes my love stays hidden, but trust me babe, I'm forever yours and eternally smitten. Super cute. I love that. Let's open this up. So I've actually been unboxing the Plouise Advent Calendar every day over on my Instagram. I've been doing it on my shorts here and on my TikTok as well. But we've been doing unboxing every day. And the amount of new products I've got from Plouise, like I haven't had time to try them all. It's crazy. I feel like I'm going to have to do a full video just trying new in Plouise products because I'm just obsessed with trying new stuff and I think it's going to be so fun. So first impressions, that's what it looks like on the outside. Let's get rid of that protective sheet. And then when we open it up, look at that. So if you hadn't guessed, this is a lipstick palette. I do already have a lip palette from her, but it was a bit more pinky toned. I'm more excited to try these shades down here. I love a nude lip. If you know me, you know how much I love a nude lip. It's just my kind of thing. It's my go-to. So I'm really excited to try these shades. I actually kind of want to try them and see if they'd be any good as like contour, blush and concealer shades. Let me just try this. I'm not sure of the formula yet. I I feel like it's possible. It's a little bit more oily, so I'm not sure if we would be able to use it as like a concealer, but I really want to try it. I really want to try that. I also love the fact that it's, again, got a full-size mirror in there. I think the fact that you get, what is that, 15 shades? Yeah, 15 shades in there. I think that is such good value. Like, even if it was, you know, £15, you're getting £1 a shade. Really good value. And I think it's great as well because you've got something for everybody in here. If you like more of a pinky lip, if you like more of a nude lip, you know, concealer lips vibes over here, or you can actually do your own like gradient lip, or like multiple shades in there, which I like to do a couple of shades on my lips sometimes, so I think that is absolutely perfect. But to get 2 palettes like that in a budget box, I'm sorry, that is so good. Recently we've been getting, you know, a couple of items and then a Plouise skin bit, so I was expecting something Plouise skin in here. It's the first time in a little while that she hasn't done one though, but the next one is incredible. This one, oh my days, like I can't tell you how gorgeous this is. We've got the Plouise Chill palette, so it says, if looks could chill, the detail put into this, oh my days. So I'm just going to open this up because this is just absolutely unreal. So this is a palette for eyes and face, and it is the most beautiful eyeshadow she's created in a long time. So this is just an overview of what the palette looks like. It's a moving piece palette, so it's got bits in there that move up and down, which I love. The last one of these I bought, I think it wasn't the Money Shot, I think it was the A World Full of Wonders one, and I absolutely love that palette. That one actually lights up. This one though is just so festive. I just love all the little details in it. Like the word chill there, let me try zoom in for you. The word chill literally has little snowflakes inside it. It's got little jumpers that move around, so cute. And then she's got her signature little stamp there. She has like a metal stamp on all these palettes, but they're always different. I love this one. So when we open this up, I've got this protection sheet here, which is an extra layer of protection this time, which I absolutely love. You don't want your palettes to arrive damaged. Thankfully, I've never had that problem with Plouise, but I know, you know, these things can happen sometimes in shipping. We've got a full-size mirror in there, and then when we look at the shades themselves, this is the first layer. I'm sorry, but how stunning is that? You literally have every single shade of blue that you could ever want, and these shimmers are really calling my name. They look unreal. So I'm going to try this one here, which is called She's Sharp. What? Okay, I'm going to try Ice and Easy. They're literally just really quick swatches, like we're not digging our finger around in there. And then we'll do one that's a little bit different, which is called Fuzzy Feeling, which is a little jumper one. They look beautiful. Let's give them a really quick swatch on my hand with them. I like to do like true swatches, not like stick your finger and like rub it around. For me, this one is really calling my name, but look at how gorgeous they are. They are so pretty. So like a lot of Plouise palettes now, this one is double layered. So not only do we have, how many shades do we have on the top one? Is it like 21, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 21 shades we've got on the top here. We've also got an extra layer that pulls out of the bottom here. So this is what it looks like. Let's get rid of this protective sheet. This is the second layer. We've got more green tones, some deeper shades. We've got a black there, we've got a really dark navy blue. We've got a lot of lighter shimmers, and I love like these turquoisey, greeny colours here are so pretty. Let's try a couple of the shimmers from this one. We've got Blizzard, we've got Icicles, and then which other one shall we try? I want to try this one. It's like a greeny one. It's called Make Me Melt. Okay. Oh my god, I literally just don't even know where to swatch these. Stick them on my arm there. Wow, wow, and wow. That green is absolutely unreal. These are really pretty as well, but I don't think you can see them as well, but they are so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I really want to try it out now. I do have a little bit of eyeshadow on already, so we're not going to, but this palette is absolutely gorgeous. I love with Plouise palettes, you get different shades every time. So if you're going to get like a pink palette, it's not the same shades of pink she's already created. Absolutely love it. I think one of the shades that's calling my name the most has to be this one here, which is called Stay Cozy. I'm trying not to have the reflection of my office in it, but that one, that looks gorgeous. I also really want to try this one up here, which is called Winter Wonder, and it's a really nice pastel blue. Oh my god, that's so much brighter than I thought it was going to be. So all the shades do have separate imprints, which they always have. So if I just show you a little bit more up close, you can see the different ones. And they are just so pretty. So we've got some snowflakes, we've got a sled, we've got a scarf, we've got if looks could chill, literally written out in the centre one. We've actually got a mountain. We've got a jumper, we've got a knife, we've got a snowflake again, but like a different type. We've even got a fireplace. Like the amount of detail that's gone into these is crazy. So these are the current swatches that we've got, and I am just obsessed. This shade is so calling my name, and they honestly have so many beautiful matte shades, such a variation as well. One of the things that I sometimes say, when I've got so many different shades in a palette like this, is I don't really have as many blendable shades, but this one I think she's really gone all out. You've got a lot of lighter ones that you can blend in with the darker ones, like the other one that's pure white as well. So I'm really excited to have a play with this palette, and just play with the whole collection, to be fair, because there are so many beautiful things in there that I really want to give a go. So I'm going to end the video here. I have absolutely loved this. I love unboxing these boxes with you all. I love trying new makeup. I have so many exciting videos coming up at the moment. We're going to be a lot more consistent. I've got so much coming up. I just want to say a huge thank you for watching this video. If you have stayed to the end, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!